to another episode of Astro Auto Repairs. Dig it. Alright, we got part 2 of this 98 Infiniti I30. From last video, they had to change their wiring harness over back to the original and put the original computer back in. And
Tony got that car started.
we did. Vehicle still wouldn't start, so what we did was put another crank sensor in. Let me show you. I gotta make sure I don't get Sean in the picture because he don't like videos. Okay,
Man, got it right.
Now what we did was use the machine called the Vantage Pro. Now the Vantage Pro checks out each sensor. The computer can be even out the car. The Vantage Pro will let you know whether it's good or bad. We had no injector pulse, no spark, no nothing. We checked the crank sensor. We had nothing. We put the old crank sensor back in. Car fired right up. So right now we're connecting everything else back. Get the customer their car. And it's a pretty good job.
Right there.
It's Timmy from Astro Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can.
Oh,